So it's a good way to end off night one. That's one thing in North Carolina that like you can't have fires in North Carolina because like it dries up so fast.
Oh, yeah.
So it's like that's one thing I do like about when I move back here
Yeah,
is that
it's all waterlogged.
yeah, like this at least here you can have fires and stuff again.
Right?
Yeah. I know tomorrow I'm going up to New York.
Yeah, up in California, like the brush fires and wildfires out there are crazy.
Really?
Oh yeah, they start like a spark come out, like just an ember will start floating around. It's like a
Wow.
mile away and then it start a fire. Like we have,
Yeah.
screwed up like brush fires that have like, I remember one time they had the 3 different brush fires that was just burning down hundreds and thousands of acres in each different county, and then in 3 different counties they all converged together as 3 such a disaster.
Oh wow.
Yeah, like I remember being out in the desert, and the whole desert was filled with smoke, and everybody was evacuated, and we're driving on the main road to get out of there, going one way out.
Uh-huh.
The fire was like jumping across the road, and like, yeah, it was pretty scary.
Wow.
It was hard to breathe and stuff.
That's crazy.
Yeah, my mom, she had emphysema and she was stuck out there, and we were like, let's get out of here. Luckily, we had friends that took us out of there.
She made it out there?
What's that?
She made it out okay though?
Well, yeah. We just had to go into the next town, to Palm Springs.
Oh wow. Yeah, did you hear about those firefights or the fire in Canada? Wildfires? Like it just happened to
Not recently. I don't really follow. I keep up with news
Oh.
for much of anything nowadays.
Apparently it was like like they were trying to do a fire draft or whatever.
Yeah.
Like dry out the trees and stuff.
Right.
But it was an accident and it kind of kept on it like made it worse and it went
Right.
so we got a lot of the dust from the fires.
Yeah. That's rough.
Yeah.
You want me to go grab hot dogs?
I want you to grab whatever you want.
Are you gonna find sticks?
Yeah, for
Right.
sure. Okay, that sounds good. You like just ketchup and mustard?
Just a way to kind of end the night and
That'll do for me.
see you guys tomorrow morning.
You like relish?